ఇక్కడ కస్టర్డ్ సలాడ్ స్టాల్ పెట్టింది. డిపిఎస్ స్కూల్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఎంకరేజింగ్ లైక్ దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ యాక్టివిటీస్ ఇన్ ది స్కూల్ ప్రెమిసెస్. సో పిల్లలు వాళ్ళు ఎలాగా ఇవన్నీ మార్కెటింగ్ ఎలా చేయాలి, ఈ వీళ్ళలో మన స్కిల్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్కి బాగా హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది. అండ్ ఇట్స్ వెరీ మచ్ ఎంకరేజింగ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Okay, welcome everybody. This is my girls popcorn stall, and we have a free spinning wheel. If we get the number you opted, you will get a free popcorn. It's such a good deal. I think you should definitely try, and our prices are also very nice and very cheap. They taste so good. We all used the best ingredients we could, and everybody should give it a try and encourage these little girls. Thank you.
Everyone, this is the stall by my son and his friends. They have everything delicious, starting from the chips to delicious marshmallows, which are sweeter in mouth and lighter in stomach, and yummy jellies, and also have a mouth watering ice creams. Enjoy the stall. They have worked hard from the last 2 days for this. I hope their hard goes well.
స్టాల్లో పనీర్ టిక్కా అమ్ముతున్నారు. బట్ పనీర్ టిక్కా చాలా టేస్టీగా ఉంది, చాలా బాగా చేశారు. పిల్లలంతా కూడా చాలా యాక్టివ్గా, చాలా ఎంతూజియాస్టిక్గా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశారు. ఇట్స్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు సీ అండ్ పార్టిసిపేట్ ఇన్ ఫ్లీ మార్కెట్. ఫర్దర్గా కూడా కిడ్స్ని ఎంకరేజ్ చేసి బాగా స్పోర్టివ్గా ఉంది. ప్లీజ్ ఎంకరేజ్ దిస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Okay. So, hi everyone. So today I came to the flea market as my son is studying here. He recently joined this class, and it was like so exciting appearing in the flea market, and also it's like I am seeing the young talent, the crafts, the DIYs, the dance, whatever it is, the skits, and even the poems. Not even, it's not like age by age. It is not, there is no difference at the age level, the gender, nothing. So it's like a multi-talented kid. Everyone is like multi-talented kid, and the parents they have given the support. I agree to that. And on the top of that, teachers, the management, everyone is like they gave an extraordinary support, and also they have done an extraordinary job. And last but not the least, this was like fantastic market which I have ever seen. And సరిగ్గా చెప్పాలంటే చాలా బాగుంది, అండ్ ఐ రియల్లీ చాలా బాగా అనిపించింది, అండ్ ఐ ఈగర్ టు సీ మోర్ లైక్ దిస్. దట్స్ ఆల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
I have joined my kid just because I was very much interested in co-curricular activities in DPS, and I'm very happy about the overall growth of his overall co-curricular activities and his overall development in his communication skills and everything. It's all because of teachers' involvement in his activities and everything, and also he has been active in everything, whatever he is doing, and I'm happy about it. And the all credit goes to the teachers and the administration for letting them involve in everything. Thank you.
Teachers in this school very much, because they are so we have to appreciate their patience to make them prepare in every circumstance. They are making each and every kid to participate. First, I would like to thank all the teachers and the kids. They are very multi-talented here. Even when we are like this, I don't know anything like this. I am learning better from my kid. Thank you very much.
Yeah, hello. This is the third time I'm coming to this flea market, and it's really exciting, and kids are really enjoying and they're having a great time. Even my son Arjun is in 2 events. He's doing mocktails and he's even playing guitar, and overall the flea market is a big hit, and I think most of the Guntur crowd, the kids are really enjoying and they're having fun. We are coming every year here with friends and families, and please do continue doing this flea market every year, and it's really entertaining. Thank you very much.
ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం పిల్లలు తెలుగులో ఎలా మాట్లాడతారని చెప్పి కొంచెం కంగారుగా ఉండేది. కొంచెం వీళ్ళని చూడంగానే ధైర్యం వచ్చింది నాకు. మాకు ఇంటికి వచ్చి డాడీ నేను భిక్షగాడు పాత్ర వేస్తానంటే అదేది రా అన్న. లేదు డాడీ బాగుంటుంది అని చెప్పారు. సో వాళ్ళు అలాంటి ఏం తీసుకోకుండా చక్కగా అందరు నీట్గా ప్రజెంట్ చేశారు. భూత వైద్యుడితో సహా మా రెగ్యులర్ వైద్యుడు, భూత వైద్యుడు, తర్వాత ఇంటి ఆయన పాపం పిల్లలు చక్కగా చేశారు. వెల్ డన్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. పిల్లలకి బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ ఇచ్చేది పిల్లలకి బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ అండి, ఎందుకంటే అందరూ చాలా చక్కగా చేశారు. పిల్లలు ఈ మోటివేషన్ ఎప్పుడూ ఉండాలని అనుకుంటున్నాం అండి. అంటే జనరల్గా ఏంటంటే డిపిఎస్ అంటే తెలుగు ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం అనుకుంటుంటారు, కానీ తెలుగు కూడా చాలా చక్కగా చెప్తున్నారు. ఎందుకంటే అక్కడ నేను మా బాబు కూడా ఇక్కడ చదువుతున్నాడు, వాడు కూడా తెలుగు పద్యమే చెప్పాడు. అట్లానే తెలుగు అంటే ఎంకరేజ్ చేయడం కూడా ఒక మంచిదండి యాక్చువల్లీ, ఎందుకంటే నేటివిటీ ఇప్పుడు దగ్గరగా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి. సో థ్యాంక్స్ అండి, ఆల్ ది వెరీ బెస్ట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఫస్ట్ ఓకే, చాలా బాగా చేశారు. లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఆల్సో ఐ సా సారీ తెలుగులో ఓకే లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఆల్సో ఐ సా తెలుగు కిడ్స్ చాలా బాగున్నాయి. ఈ ఇయర్ కూడా చాలా బాగున్నాయి, చాలా బాగా చేశారు. దే ఆర్ ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్ ఇన్ దేర్ క్యారెక్టర్స్, లైక్ అంటే డే టు డే ఇలాగే ఉంటారు అన్నట్టు బాగా ఫేస్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ కానీ డైలాగ్స్ కానీ చాలా బాగా చెప్పారు. నైస్, వెరీ బెస్ట్, ఆల్ ది వెరీ బెస్ట్ టు యూ. గుడ్.
Hello everyone, I am Lakshmi, mother of T. Tanvi. She is in 11th grade. Last time also I was here and today also I am here and I enjoyed a lot. Small children who kept small stalls. Game session which I liked the most, and this time they were giving rewards also for a small winning things. And the art section and the music section which we loved the most. Everybody has enjoyed. Even parents also came forward and gave their feedback and they also sang the song. Keep up DPS, all the best to you.
I'll give my big thanks to the organization who has conducted this Phila market. I really enjoyed it and I really saw the performance between the students, how they are selling their product and convincing all the parents to come, and the way they are preparing and giving and selling. It's a good exposure to all. Actually they learn a lot. So I'll thanks everyone and I enjoyed a lot. Thanks to DPS. Yes.
It was a very pleasant environment and I have been to various sections like the art room, the main canteen where there are lot of options for food and drink, and then we went to see the dance performance. Okay, I went to see the dance performance. It was very nicely organized, and the storytelling and the poetry performance, these were very nicely done. Now I'm about to also explore other parts. So the management and the teachers and the students all have nicely organized the event, and there are a lot of options for food and drink. It is a truly amazing experience.
This flea market from DPS is very nicely organized. I never saw a paper piece also here. It's well maintained and all the children are too smart and they organized it very well. We are able to see future entrepreneurs here, and thanks for the DPS people to encourage the children in this manner, because they may not be able to handle money, food and all. Now they are able to manage everything. So I think for parents it's a very good opportunity to see their children. Now we can know that they will be able to handle well even if in our absence also. That I think we can guarantee it from seeing this flea market. Thanks once again to the DPS principal and organizers. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. Today we have a flea market in DPS school and we enjoyed a lot. They have created very good ideas and it's very enjoying. Thank you. Hi everyone. Today I just came to Delhi Public School flea market by the students of Delhi Public School only. చాలా బాగుందండి. చిన్నపిల్లలకి ఇట్లాగా అన్నీ ఎంకరేజ్ చేయడము అది కూడా, అండ్ స్టడీస్ వైజ్గా కూడా ఇట్స్ గుడ్. అండ్ ఐ హోప్ ఇట్లాంటివి ఎన్నో పెట్టి చిల్డ్రన్స్ని ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తారు అని చెప్పేసి అనుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good afternoon, myself Maulali. Good afternoon, myself Maulali. She was Reshma. My boy studying 7th class, Saiful Islam name. Yeah, coming to this event, it will be very useful for the children who are trying to be develop their skills from the beginning childhood, entrepreneurship skills. The coordination is very good. The DPS is providing very much facilities like in order to develop entrepreneur skills from the childhood only. Actually, this will develop lot of beyond academics. It will be very useful for them in order to go somewhere. Everybody won't be in job field or something. They will be in separate business fields, like somebody will trying according to their wishes. They will be developing their skills. So this will be very useful. We are very thankful to the DPS and team, as well as everybody is communicating, and all the boys are communicating, and every students are doing very well, and we are thanking DPS. Thank you very much.
Today, being the flea market, we have come here to attend the flea market. Very well conducted, very well organized, and it is a very motivational thing for the kids to participate and contribute themselves, exhibit their skill and talent. This is a really good opportunity given by DPS school to the kids. I really appreciate the conduction of this kind of a flea market to encourage the kids and develop their entrepreneurial skills and all. Thank you. And also, I would like to give a word about the school. I have a good experience with the school. Very good campus, very good faculty, and the management really cooperates with the parents in every respect. They don't strain the kids much, but at the same time, they inculcate the self-motivation among the kids. Thank you.
హలో గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ ఇవాళ డిపిఎస్ స్కూల్లో ఫ్లీ మార్కెట్ జరుగుతూ ఉంది. పిల్లలందరూ చాలా సందడిగా చాలా సంతోషంగా వాళ్ళు ఓన్గా తయారు చేసుకుని ఇక్కడ తీసుకొచ్చి వాళ్ళు సొంతంగా అమ్ముకుంటాం అనేది చాలా మంచి ఆలోచన ఈ స్కూల్కి. ఈ ఫ్లీ మార్కెట్ ద్వారా ఎవరికి వాళ్ళు ఇండివిజువల్గా మేము చేసుకోగలము, మేము చేయగలము అనే నమ్మకంతో పిల్లలు చాలా సంతోషంగా చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hi everyone, good evening. It's my pleasure to be here. I'm parent of Sanjana here studying. She joined here recently. I appreciate the whole team in the DPS for the whole coordination. It's a new thing for kids and everything. It's a very good appreciation for everyone and the parent, at the same time the students and the madams and everyone here. I thank each and everyone here. It's a good opportunity for everyone, and we have seen a different stalls, and kid will know what is the difference of learning different things here. I really appreciate DPS. Thank you for everything.
Good afternoon. My name is Srilata. I'm parent of Siddharth and Sanjay, 9th and 3rd. My kids are in 9th and 3rd grade. Actually, this is an opportunity to increase the talent of kids. They learn how to market the products, whatever they have bought, and it increases their patience and creativity also in the kids. This is a very encouraging program. It's very nice actually. Every year the kids are improving at their skills by such programs.
I am parent of DPS. This is Sonachi. She participated in the flea market today. So I think this is the wonderful opportunity for the children to showcase their talent, and I am very happy that she made her debut for this year.
ఫ్లీ మార్కెట్ డిపిఎస్ ఆర్గనైజ్ చేసింది, చాలా బాగుందండి. కిడ్స్కి మంచి ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్, వాళ్ళు క్రియేటివిటీని బాగా ఎంకరేజ్ చేశారు. అందరూ యాక్చువల్లీ చాలా ఎంకరేజ్ చేయడం వల్ల బాగా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశారు కూడా. స్టాల్స్ అన్నీ చూస్తుంటే అన్నీ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఖాళీ అయిపోయాయి. దే డిడ్ దేర్ బెస్ట్ అండ్ దే ఆల్సో ఎర్న్డ్ ఏ లాట్ ఆఫ్ కూపన్స్. They had lot of fun. Even parents, we are having lot of fun with food stalls, and we can see lot of creativity as well from kids. So yeah, it brings lot of joy for kids as well for parents actually. Yeah, the nice initiative from DPS. Yeah, we expect it to be happening every year with the same encouragement from the teachers and the school management. Thank you.